Hi friends, welcome back to Pro Trader Krish channel. So yesterday we have gone through the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, and today if you go through the market, right, so I mean to say Nifty and Bank Nifty charts, we have seen a lot of volatility on both upside and downside, right? So basically uh, there is no particular trend on any time frame, and if you can go through the 5 minutes charts as well, so we can see that there is a lot of volatility and predefined algo trading happened. Okay, so just not wasting the time, let's get into the details. First, initially, okay, see today if you can see the data, right, so FIA data and DA data both has sold actually 145 crores FIA and 136 crores DIA. Okay, see how much of difference since last 1 week. Okay, means no one is having a full confidence, actually not even US market, they don't have the full confidence to sell, okay, at least something like 2000 crores each and every day, because see already the market has moved so long, actually so upside, uh, something like more than 100% of returns, okay, from few stocks. Okay, so but still even FIs are scared to sell continuously at these higher levels. Okay, so that's what the market is for each and everyone, because I told you yesterday and I'll keep telling you that there is some kind of base is getting created by retail investors, actually, especially in India. Okay, so people are waiting for the dips to buy, not just showing their emotion to buy each and everything and each and every stock. Okay, so they are just differentiating between the value stocks and growth stocks. Okay, so people are buying exactly where they wanted to buy, and they are planning the things. That's the only difference now. So even FIAs and DAs also, they are waiting for a biggest event. Okay, I mean to say a crash event, only that will trigger the market downside. Okay, until that point of time we gonna see only little bit of trading, and till that point of time we'll see only upside movements. Okay, so even today also we have gone through the same thing. Okay, there is not much difference. And let me go to the chart. If you go through contract, right, September contract, so today if you can see, right, a beautiful doji, right, beautiful doji, star doji on the upside is there. Okay, so but FI is sold only 145 crores and DA is sold 135 crores. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow only we have 2 trading days this week, because on Friday Vinayak Chauthi is there, it's a public holiday. So let's see the support here. So see, the market closed at 17,369. I'm talking about September contract, not the spot price. So here on daily time frame we can see the levels support and resistance is clearly at a 150 point difference is there. So if we wanted to trade on the downside, we should go for hourly chart, and we need to just look at the trend here. And I mean to say Monday and Tuesday, today we have witnessed the range bound trading, and today at 11 o'clock we have seen some kind of a trend, but again it got vanished after few hours. Okay, means at 1 o'clock again the trend got reversed, there is no proper trend. So even tomorrow and day after tomorrow also we might have this range, but again until it breaks downside, we should not take any kind of action, any kind of entry. We have a biggest event on this Friday, okay, from Reliance. They are launching the Geo phone, okay, 5G set. Okay, so it might trigger, if the market receives it on a positive side, it's okay, means that will be fine. But if it receives the market, means whoever the investors, the people, okay, even the other telecom giants, right, so if they receive this very negatively, So then Reliance has a huge weight on Nifty 50. We all know that. So that gonna trigger the market downside and the rest will follow. In the sense, the IT companies, the paint companies, the auto companies will follow because they are already have seen the largest moves since last March 20. So let's wait for that 17,300 break, and from that point of time, if any hourly candle closes below this point of time, okay, means I mean to say here, so any hourly candle, bearish candle, red candle closes here, that's it. Okay, from that point of time, any up movement, again any up movement will be sold out, will be shorted again. And we need to understand that by comparing the Fiis selling tomorrow and day after tomorrow, if we can see a selling from Fiis and even Diis buying a very little bit, in the sense Fiis selling should be more than 1500 crores, then only the volume gets increased and the momentum, bearish momentum gets increased. Until that point of time, even if we sell also, there won't be any kind of large movements because Fiis has to sell, right? So they can move the candlesticks, they can move the price. So until that point of time, we have to trade in the range bound area only. There is a next support. Yesterday also I showed you 17,200. So till that point of time, we can downside target, and on the upside, any breakout about 17,450, we can target for 17,600. Okay, 17,600 will be the upside target and downside will be 17,230. But before that, right, we have to wait for a proper entry, and for that entry we need to go for pivot level support and moving average support. 20 period moving average and 200 period moving average crossover is the best thing to take for an entry. Okay, go for an entry. That's it for from Nifty point of view. And if we go to the bank Nifty, today I expected a bit more downside, but actually as I told you, right, at 11 o'clock something got triggered, and from that point of time the market again bounced back. Okay, so I thought it will cover up till this point of time. It means the price will come down to this level, but tomorrow we can expect the price little bit more downside in the bank Nifty if today's last candles, okay, hourly candles high is not taken. Okay, so let's see tomorrow if this high, last candle's high is there, right? So this candle's high is 36,660, so somewhere around that. So from current market price, it's around 100 points upside is there. Actually there is a gap, right? So we have a 100-point difference is there. Once it covers that 100 points, and if 15 minutes candle closes above, not a 5 minutes or 2 minutes candle, a 15 minutes candle closes above, then we can go for a long call right at that point. Here I mean to say, I'm talking about here. But tomorrow, if the flat opening again somewhere around that 36,570 or 520, 530 range, right? So anything here, it has something like, it can definitely, okay, this again it will retest this low 36,250. If not, in the worst scenario, it has to come down here. Okay, I'm not telling just like a fluke. Okay, so if you can see, right, we all know that from this point the price was moved again, and this is the point price started moving back again upside, right? And if you can go left, okay, you can see here there is a price action. Okay, there is a price action settled here, there is a congestion part, and a lot of base is created here. So this has to be taken before any moving downside. Okay, if the price has to move downside, tear these supports, it has to move further down. But I don't think so it can easily break these levels until means if there is some kind of any news on banks, ICIci bank or any SBI bank, okay, all those bank Nifty stocks. So until that point of time, we can trade in between these levels, and upside I already told you 36,660 above we can go for a long call. Okay, downside these two are targets, and if market is negative, we can see tomorrow, okay, these this 200 period moving average is there na, this level also. Okay, so take care guys, and just wait for first 10 minutes at least to take a trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty, because we can see some huge volatility, and we already seen this today also. So there is, if we are placing stop losses, means there is someone to hunt those stop losses. Okay, thank you guys.